Okay, Ed Martin's up with numbers 9 and 10.
Okay, poor food. I got a used CNC probably 6 months ago, and learning how to operate it simply watching YouTubes. There's no manual. I bought it used. A fella came and set it up, and he cut a little project, and from there I was on my own. So after quite a few attempts, I undertook to challenging this nice piece of wood, and I put an exterior stain on it. I don't know if anybody else has used it, but it's they say it's guaranteed not to peel or crack, and good for outside. It's
What kind of wood is that, Ed?
that's walnut.
Okay.
This has a stain on it, and I think it comes with different colors. But there's the rough sawn wood there. I surfaced it with a surface router. It still has a curve in it, so each letter, to get the correct distance from the surface, I cut one letter at a time on the CNC machine. And this one I did just a couple of days ago. I believe that's white oak. The letters in here is a walnut stain. So what I do is I put the finish coat on the surface before I put the stain inside, and then it doesn't bleed. You can put that on just with a plumber's paintbrush. Just splash it in there. You can get it all over the surface, and just use a paper towel to wipe it off. This one is done the same way on the CNC machine, and this one has a varathane surface on it. So after the varathane, then I do the cutout, and then I put the walnut stain in the letters. Any old brush, smear it all over, and just wipe the surface with your paper towel. There are about 6 months of trial and error to get that far.